Yes or no?
Your Honor,
Wait, sagutin mo muna, Attorney Malyari. Ang tanong ko ay simple. Nag-file kayo ng petition, prayer for extension, na denied, tapos according sa rules ng procedure and practices of the ERC, isang beses lang mag-motion for reconsideration. Sabi sa rules will you confirm this, Mona Lisa, that according sa rules of procedure and practices of the ERC, isang beses ka lang mag-motion for reconsideration. Then, you were denied sa motion for reconsideration. Ngayon, ang tanong ko, final na ba yun and executory?
in the same order, Your Honor.
No, wait. I'm asking you. Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor, and we were given 6 months.
Wait. Before you explain, let me hear your answer. So I'm asking you, final and executory na po ba yun? Yes or no?
Opo.
Okay, yes. Now you can explain.
Tuloy ko lang po yung chronology. So in the ERC order dated 10 March 2021, which was received on 14 March 2021, the ERC denied NGCP's MR of the decision dated 3 March 2020, and that the following are maintained by the ERC in its ruling. Among others, NGCP was given 6 months from receipt of the order instead of the receipt of the 3 March 2020 to complete the public listing process or on before November 10, 2021.
Yes,
At dito
okay.
rin po, in order po kami to submit a compliance report every fifth po of the month for the 6-month compliance.
All right, thank you. So at least klaro po na binanggit po natin, nagkaroon na ng order na final and executory yung pong desisyon ng March 10, 2021 ng ERC. Now, and it was directing the NGCP to complete its compliance with the IPO requirements until the successful listing thereof. Yun ang sinabi ng ERC eh. At dito, hindi sinabi. It did not say any IPO or any alternative thereto as may be allowed under the law. So ngayon, ang tanong ko sa commission, what was the basis of the commission in explicitly requiring an IPO and not just an alternative? Ito sa mga majority who have decided dito, siguro tatanungin ko si Puentes, si Commissioner Puentes. Commissioner Puentes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano naging basis ninyo? What was the basis of the commission in explicitly requiring an IPO and not just an alternative thereto? Bakit nyo ni-require ng IPO ang NGCPO? At yun na sinabi nyo. Sabi nyo, walang extension. Motion for reconsideration, denied. Final and executory. Tapos sabi nyo, proceed with the IPO. Within 6 months, dali ng listing sa ERC. Bakit yun po naging desisyon na require nyo sila ng IPO? Ang tanong ko sa NGCP. NGCP, did the IPO proceed?
Your Honor,
No, sagutin mo muna, Attorney Malyari. Did the IPO proceeded?
may interlocutory, Your Honor.
No. Tanongin mo muna, yes or no lang, tapos saka mo explain. Did the IPO proceeded?
The IPO...
Yes or no?
Sorry, Your Honor, I'm trying to make a
Yes or
complete
no,
sentence.
then explain.
The
Tuloy
IPO
po ba-
as contemplated under...
Wait. Hindi tayo magkakaintindihan hanggang hindi mo muna sinasagot ang aking katanungan. Did the IPO proceeded? Yes or no?
As contemplated in the order, hindi po. And if I may explain.
Hindi. Kaya, hindi sa order. Ang tinatanong ko, kasi in-orderan kayo, di ba? Na proceed with the IPO. Kasi nga, nag-ano kayo eh, nag-witness kayo eh. Ang sabi ni Eduardo Francisco, yung inyong expert, nagpo-proceed na po kami sa IPO, nasa initial stage na po kami, and we will be earning or we will have investor like $1 billion coming from the different investor. So ngayon, nandito po report eh, nabasa ko lahat eh. At ang sinasabi nyo, nasa stage na kayo ng IPO. Ang tinatanong ko, nag-proceed ba kayo sa IPO? Sabi mo, no. Di ba? Then now, explain.
Your Honor, ituloy ko lang po yung chronology. After the ERC order dated 10 March 2021, NGCP now filed a motion for clarification to allow...
Wait. Darating tayo sa motion for clarification. Ang tinatanong ko lang muna, explain mo muna yung... kasi hindi kayo nag-proceed sa IPO. Sabi mo, no, you did not proceed with the IPO. So why? Explain.
Ito na nga po, because we wanted to be clarified whether we can be allowed insofar as the alternative mode under Section 8 of RA 9511.
Okay.
So, ang tanong po nila, Your Honor, is did the IPO proceeded as contemplated under ERC order dated 10 March 2021? Ang response po namin ay, dun nga po sa interim na yon, nag-file po si NGCP ng motion for clarification to allow the alternative mode under Section 8 of 9511, which is, yun nga po yung...
Wait, Attorney Malyari.
Yes po.
What is the motion for clarification all about? If there was a decision by the commission denying your petition, and then you filed a motion for reconsideration, and that was also denied, the motion for clarification should be on the decision of the denial, not on the alternative mode of the requirement that is being set by Section 8 of Republic Act 9511.
Mr. Chairman, I think we should allow the focus of this inquiry, the NGCP, to fully explain. Because once there was the decision that they are going to have IPO, Section 8 provides an alternative remedy. That's the second proviso, which I read.
Sir,
Provided that the listing in the PSA of any company which directly or indirectly owns. So can we allow the NGCP to finish? Because if we keep on interjecting, we don't have the whole defense of the NGCP.
Mr. Chairman,
so I'm asking that, Mr.
Chairman,
Kasi so many times,
I'm questioning the resource person, and I'm satisfied already with the answer that she was manifesting. Okay na sa akin yung Mr. Chairman, basta sumagot siya ng,
Okay.
ng
Mr. Chair,
tinatanong
the
ko.
Honorable Rufus,
1 minute
this is the
suspension.
time of the Honorable Dan Fernandez. And we will now, I think, NGCP, I understand your sentiments, Honorable Rufus, but I think, we will also have to make sure that the answers are straight to the point, no? I think ang hinihingi